reinforcement, and then wooden pallets. That's permanent injection of wooden pallets.
Wooden pallet. Yeah, let's do that.
I'm 1.8, so this is 1.5. I'll bet my life on it.
So the wall is, can somebody measure the wall for us,
Do we
please?
have a measurement? I don't know.
The wall,
Yeah, are you alright with that, Joseph?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're okay. You're driving in the back.
one point 1.15 meters. Mr. Skukuni, are we agreed? The wall side from top to bottom.
Only the northern side, my lady, is a little bit higher. It's half brick and half erected pallets.
Okay.
So maybe it will also be 1.8 by, I guess, 2.4.
The northern side,
You think, yeah?
half brick, and then half
Pallets.
pellets.
Mm.
What else?
Oh, my lady, for the purpose of the first witness, for example, the distance between the road and this site.
Yes, I think that's necessary. We can estimate that. Will you be able to measure that for us, or can you just estimate the distance from where they were to the road?
My lady, I think we can confirm, we can all agree to use Google Earth, and then we measure it on our way, and we can record it on the record. I will use Google Earth because we can use these exact measurements.
Okay, can I say distance from the pigsties to the
To the main road, I don't know
the main road?
I don't know what's that road called. What is the road?
R81.
Everyone informs me correctly. And then this dirt road behind us.
R81. Okay, the distance from the pigsty or pigsties to the road, what is it?
What do we say? I think that's about 250 to 300. Yeah. No. 250. We can confirm also now. Yeah, we can confirm.